What's going on, YouTube? This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we are driving for financial freedom. And I'm back again with another Hotshot video for you guys and ladies out there. This is a video on how to save on your taxes as a hotshot driver. And if you guys been watching my video, take a few minutes to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. But this is a video on how I was able to get my money back from the new truck that I just purchased, the Avalon taxes, which is basically the sales taxes. And so this is a very detailed video, so you might want to get your pen and paper out. Now this went down in the state of Georgia, so if you're from a different state, this may be different in your state. But I purchased a Ram 3500 this year, and I got a video on it, on how I purchased it in the company's name. So I'm not the quote-unquote owner. The truck is financed through the business name, and like I said, check out my old videos. I explain how to build business credit and how I got the truck in the business name and so on and so forth. But that's in previous videos. So if you hadn't seen it, definitely go back, watch the videos, check them out. But here in the state of Georgia, I just got the documents here. There is something called a form called an SD5, which is the State of Georgia Department of Revenue Sales Tax Certificate of Exemption for a Georgia purchaser. So if you pull this form up and you're in Georgia, it's called the ST5 form. Line number 6 states the sale of aircraft, watercraft, railroad, locomotives, and rolling rocks, motor vehicles, and major components of each that will be used principally to cross the borders of this state in the service of transporting passengers and cargo. That's us. Hotshot drivers, that is us. By common carriers and by carriers who hold common carrier and contract carrier authority in interstate of foreign commerce under authority granted by the United States government. United States government, so that means that it should be available across the U.S. So you definitely want to take a look at that, guys. But here's how my situation went down, how it took place. So I'm at the dealership. I bring this form in, and I'm telling them, look, I'm not supposed to pay sales tax, which in this case, the amount of the sales tax on that truck was $2,777.81. And I'm going back and forth at the dealership. The dealership is telling me that we've sold hundreds of commercial vehicles and we've never heard of this form. I've got friends in the industry who does commercial. You know, this is freaking Ram dealership, man. They got accounts with all these big companies out here, and they've never heard of this. Never. So here I am, little old me, trying to explain to this big dealership, look, this isn't right. So make a long story short, I ended up paying the taxes there at the dealership, knowing in the back of my mind I'm going to get my money back, because this form states that I qualify for this. Even though we only have one truck, or two trucks, but even though we're small, but we have our corporation set up right, we have all our documentations. So we're small, but we are on a big scale level. Okay, so make a long story short, I contacted the Georgia Department of Revenue, and for the particular county that I'm in, I contacted the tax commissioner, and they sent out a form called an MV-33, and basically that was a form that allowed me to apply for a refund. And I filled the form out right here. See, it's all documentation right here from the state of Georgia. This is the MV-33 form that I got, and they sent me this out. I had to send in my registration, basically showing where I've actually paid for the ad valorem tax which is the taxes on the vehicle. And I'll end up sending them a letter basically stating, to whom it may concern, Sandtrans LLC purchased a Ram 3500 from the Chrysler dealership. And we paid ad valorem taxes of the amount of $2,700, and we're requesting a refund for the ad valorem. And and you know, so on and so forth. I just kind of went into detail. The exemption does not extend to private or contract carriers, and that's what they told me. But make a long story short, I sent that in, and they sent me a check for the full amount. I got all my money back for my ad valorem taxes. And from that money right there, you know, I could do trailer and truck tires if I wanted to. I could pay my driver. I could pay my insurance. You guys already know how expensive that insurance is. But if you don't know, that's $2,700 that would have just been poof in the system. So this is a key point. When I bought my trailer, I didn't have a problem with it. I gave the guy my information. They didn't charge me any taxes on my trailer. But that benefit is allotted to you guys, and you guys need to take advantage of all of this credits, all of the benefits that are allotted to us, because you know it's really expensive running this business. So any little savings you can get, it will help. So that's my video for right now. If it was good to you, if you're in the process of starting a Hotshot company, definitely do your research on that. Contact your state authority and find out if this applies to you, which it should, because it just said there, United States. Well, hopefully, if you know you're across the globe, but if you're in the United States, this should apply to you. Call your local tax commission to find out. And here's the thing: if you've purchased a truck in the past and you did not, and you paid ad valorem, right? You paid your ad valorem taxes. Go back, pull your documents, and request your refund. Get your money back on your taxes. So you might have a trailer tax credit that's due to you. You may have a couple of trucks that's due to you, where you actually paid this money while you were starting your authority, or while you were under your authority, and you didn't even know. So, hey man, if this video was good to you, click the like button, click the subscribe button, because it don't stop. I'm going to keep coming with these hot tips, giving you guys all the game. This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we driving for financial freedom. It's getting gooder and gooder. That's right, I said it's getting gooder and gooder. Y'all take it easy. I'm out.